What's up, guys? Welcome to another vlog.
Video.
Today we're going on the road to pick up my mother-in-law. So we're just taking you guys with us. I thought that was ready. Light.
No, no. I pick up this Muffet.
Yeah. Go pick up my mother-in-law.
This Muffet.
What kind of question am I going to ask her?
If again, something tricky.
I think we want to ask her about her sickness. And then we'll ask her if she don't want to talk about it.
She will talk about it, but on the video, I'm not sure. She don't want to talk about it on the video.
Alright, turn it off then. Turn it off.
Right.
No, I'm just saying. When you're near reach 3 hours, so we can put it up.
Yeah, so you have space.
I heard that too.
You said 200 and this up.
500.
Yeah. Or more space. I didn't think it would delete out.
When it's so long, I'm chopping between the affiliates too much.
Taste the meat.
Not so enough food. When you come in lost. I was to lay down in the bed like now. You know, but on the indicator say I don't know if I'm not going to turn.
So that's selfish.
Hey, sometimes, you see yesterday when you look at so? Oh my God.
What time?
Yesterday when we go so, that was 6:30.
Yeah.
6:30, 6 o'clock.
Rush hour.
Man, yes, so block. We said, when I see the traffic, it's like a bumper to bumper, man. It now move.
You said me have something for return and one month. Should I just carry it? And shoot, go over there. I park where you go, man.
Yeah, not like that.
So it's never so bad to go up on the parkway. I don't guess so.
Just right off yourself, go down to the toll. I know,
Yes, sir.
yeah. If you go down to the toll, yeah, it's bad, boy.
So if the shortcut I'm tell you about
After you finish the tour,
shortcut I'm tell you about if you take it yesterday, did I work out?
you know, so I take it a couple times and traffic back up on me and I just switch on. Right outside the parkway, it just, oh, I hate when the phone drop down in a see?
Yeah, I can't go back that, you know, we have to wait till it stop.
Sometimes I drive a couple times and I said, because there's some move fast, you know. You see, after you go through the toll, that's it. So just a little line right there, so, and sometimes it really move fast because of toll lane. Yeah, it really move fast. You know, me not really stay more than like 3 minutes towards right there, so.
How much minutes?
3.
3? TH?
Like 3 minutes.
Oh, I understand now. Tongue between the teeth.
3 minutes, you know. 3. At 3.
3 minutes.
You know, up from here and see you come out of, when I see me come out of my vehicle, them always a look for me and I look down for my vehicle. Them it's like just how they look for you and I look down for you like them a wonder how you afford. Maybe them say no, just all them impression and all them like you know, they just a look down for you and I look down for your vehicle. I look up on you and I look up on your vehicle. Man, and today me finally, you know the lady where the monks to the church was gonna carry me. She said, Mercedes? I can't even afford a Mercedes. Lie. Cause you were a mayor. She was a mayor, you know?
She was a mayor?
Yeah.
Can, but
them not invest them money in them something here.
Probably if them the young now, you know, this time now, they will not do it.
Man, I'm shocked.
They're working for them time.
Right. They not do it and now they not do it. This is a Toyota she have. Something like for Angela. Which are the older model. And that she have. She always like Toyota. She down here, so she didn't live in Newark.
Down here, so she was a mayor?
No. Come from?
Them time down in them place that they do residential white people neighborhood. You need to think that care.
Why?
You feel the heat penetrate through the glass. Even though the AC on, you can feel the penetration. It make it worse.
So why am I have to hold it down feet lock?
Well, that's Mercedes that.
And when I open it, I have to hold it down.
It's a maker. No, I shouldn't know. She said she gonna sit down outside.
Them always like them just look for you and I don't know. Like me always I wonder why them have to look for me. Like sometimes I just want to ask them. Why they always look for me and I look down for my car so like and then you turn on and look for me like and I look down for the car again like you can't say that yourself say.
I make you feel something like you're a driver a Chanel car. Just when I get that look there.
No care with them one though.
You see a driver like Chanel car now, I look up on the Civics I know I think good.
I mean I look down for my car. I don't know where I don't do in America. I remember I used to drive every day and yeah, do the local bus. I look at school driving something. Drive for school, pick up the school pin in them. Every day. Going to Newark. My pick up location was Newark. Wow.
You see the next person stop there, the next person stop for a blast, I couldn't see it. Like I said, the first place if I drive come, I just come to America and pick up gear. The gear they done had the blood thing.
Yeah.
I drive in car, come down that's it. And if I drive it, come down and so I know the way. I'm coming down on the way, I'm on the phone with them too.
Right.
I don't know when I'm there, when I go. I'm going to come down and direct the same way. Yeah.
What say I'm going to look so hot?
Why not tell her that? Today I'm going to pick her up. She smells nice. I'm going to pick her up a carrot going in the morning. She says, she smells nice, man, like you all have fresh up and thing and nice up. She said, me, in the bed.
She just sweet up.
She said, why, lotion where you smell, sir? She said, no, the deodorant. So it smells nice, though. You trick everybody. Things are trying to sit outside, man. She needs to go back inside or something.
How much watching that money there?
I think she take too long. She never give me a heads up.
Really? Not so long?
Really? See, yeah, so she get up. Yeah, too. Because she know I care.
Guys, my mother-in-law coming, you know. That me church money. My mother-in-law.
What you doing here? Come on. I'm going to drive your car. You can't laugh.
No, sir, me can't bother.
You can't bother, something like so.
Why, sir, when you're doing that, come out and go drive your car. Oh, no, sir. Oh, you smell so nice.
Me?
You're nice up in whole in here.
Really?
That's what she smell nice. So
Oh, my God.
it's
I
nice.
want spirit to come and get round Cologne and come and get fin Christmas Sunday at church.
Yeah, there.
Yeah, we're man cologne.
Men Cologne.
Yeah, we're men cologne.
Yes,
I'm
that's
the
nice.
Baxter, Georgia. No, sir.
A long time, I'm not driving at this, you know.
Come drive it, come pick you up there.
Yeah, but a long time I'm not driving with Dana.
Yeah. A long time, because I'm so busy, man.
Yeah, long
You know,
time.
so me a busy girl
Yeah,
already.
man. Like you for that.
Yeah.
Then I don't mix up.
I know, passa, not true.
Passa.
No drama.
Like with me that time, lad.
Yeah. No mix up.
Passa.
No mix up and no passa.
Not even Gracie. Gracie just busy work.
Exactly.
Everybody busy, not on time.
Exactly.
You say,
No,
not fight.
No, me say you say. No, me say you say. We not depend that.
Daddy usually say, I'm going to Mr. Yesese, and I'm going to Mr. Yese. Daddy not like that.
Yeah. Daddy no wine, I don't know why no passa.
Back in the days, you didn't know about passa? Or just mix up?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a pass. Then a long time that.
Back in the daddy days, you know your father
Yeah,
days.
mix up him call it.
No,
Mix
passa, me ask you.
No.
Oh, you never know about passa.
I have one guy, we have one play then called Passa. At that time, I hear about Passa. Yeah,
So you watch it?
yeah, me used to watch it, man. Nice.
So-
Jamaica play them nice, you know.
Yeah.
So you watch Shibada too?
Yeah. That's
Which
what
one-
I
which
do.
one is
And
Shibada?
then them short pants and all of them things.
Which one of them Shibada?
You don't know. Just watch. I laugh.
You don't really know Shabala.
No, sir.
You
You
ever watch,
know them different.
You know them different.
you ever watch one that go like girl?
Yeah.
I name so. I
name
name
so.
Shibada.
Yeah, the one that go on more like, but girl, it go on like girl too.
So I'm to the ugly one in that country. The
Yeah, there.
beautiful one.
I don't know.
One good looking one.
What man?
Yeah.
In
Me
the
and one sister died not too long.
In the ugly before and I'm good looking.
Ugly.
I don't know who that. I mean, I follow them something, you know.
It will mix up, you don't know how that.
Yeah, thing you know. Yeah, you go again.
Oh, God.
Oh, God mercy.
I can't bother.
So
We'll go on a 1 hour drive, you come?
1 hour drive.
Yeah.
Yeah, come in. What you mean, say 1 hour drive? You come somewhere?
South Jersey, yeah.
Oh, so Jersey. You
Yeah.
can come, Sister Donna.
Of course. You know you can't anything with me already.
Okay.
See me, so. And you want to go and go hot up?
No, sir, I'm not going to do sit down in that chair and sleep. You know me, I did last week to me the seat, you know, Sister
Oh,
Donna.
that's so nice.
This the weekend, last week?
But
Yes,
you're like
Friday.
you're on a break now, right?
Yeah, no, I'm done with chemo Friday.
The weekend last week.
Wow.
So you say you know you can manage now, because at least
God
this
be the
week you
glory.
come out of the house.
Send me a guy to school, Angela. Hey, guys, when me get the work, come over here. Lord have mercy.
I don't blame you.
I can ask me when me get the homework, come over and help me with it.
That's what keep you active, yeah, mama.
Tell her I say grandpa to them.
Yeah.
Man, I mean, I want to go to daycare center. So I never mix up again.
Daycare?
We are doing daycare.
I want to go to daycare center.
But we are doing daycare.
Do all kind of, make all kind of sit and carry them come back.
Oh,
that's
adult daycare.
Adult, yeah.
Oh.
And carry them come back down in and out, they look like junkyard.
Make it look crowded.
Man,
My God. You need to donate them if them even make them, you know?
but me not go there from me dad Jamaica, me say me go find and old and top work. No, I'm not old.
Exactly. How old are you? 7.
But
Okay.
I'm not old.
No, you're
You're
not.
77-year-old, but you're not old.
No, you're not old.
But me not old. I see this people look say no.
But not
You're
you.
strong.
You're strong.
You look good.
Look by you too.
Just give a little time. See, I do the last site, you know. Last site, you came here, you know.
Yeah.
Chemo.
Can tell
So,
you.
but you still drive, right?
Yeah, me still drive.
Yeah, you just not drive when you come to the chemo.
No, me can't. Then say me not to drive too far, so.
You want to talk about you would like to talk about your like your process where you go through. You don't like to talk about it, like to educate somebody if them are
but
good.
right now.
You wouldn't want to talk about it now.
Yeah, me have to talk about, me have to make up things.
Make up.
What do you mean make up? What do you mean make up?
You make up if I lie.
No,
Yeah.
just
Remember.
Remember.
Oh, remember the steps.
Remember, yes.
So like write it down.
Right.
Oh, okay. Gotcha. Yeah, because it could, if you go through it and you overcome it, it's good for you share your experience to other people, you know?
Right.
Yeah, it would have been nice, like
Finish my cycle. I finish up my cycle.
yeah, that would have been nice. This is so nice.
Man.
Yeah, because a lot of people don't overcome this situation.
Yeah, the doctor asked me if me think me can manage it.
You're strong, no box cover, because this is not the first.
Because me have one co-worker when me do the colon, when me do the surgery for the colon, take
Yeah.
out the cancer,
Yeah.
and for the colon, she used to laugh after me when my belly did big.
Right.
That time me never know so me have cancer, you know.
Yeah.
Don't go to see my belly, I get big and me I say gas. Me never know say cancer.
Right.
And when me go in and work, I eat my time, she work 3 to 11, so then sit down and wait for me. Me come 11 o'clock now, if you then get to leave. So when me go in now, they will sit down in a group. And then one man, one of the residents, we have to pass through the door. If you come right through the door, if we come right through the door, we will come in to go inside.
Right.
So every time I pass it, then sing and she, especially a white girl, I laugh
Really?
and I say, I the man at the last word, so I ain't get me pregnant. So that time I didn't know so I cancer me up. So when we go do for my surgery and come out now and come back at work, me not see she.
Only for bad name, gas get you know. Only for bad name,
Only.
people get gas.
Yeah.
Me not see she. So when me after she dead, then say she got the colon cancer.
I should have laughed after you.
And she da laugh after
Tell
me.
about man get you pregnant.
You see? She laugh after me and she didn't know say she pregnant to the same man.
You're there.
She pregnant to colon too.
Right. And I laugh after me. So when she go do her surgery and come out, she had do chemo, but me never do no chemo.
Right.
She tell come in one morning and she tell me say before she do this is second time she do the chemo. She tell me so before she go do any more chemo she rather dead.
Wow.
So she prefer for dead now go do one more chemo.
So what happened to her in the long run?
She said the nurse tell her about one something that look like jackfruit. She fit go buy it and scrape it out and blend it and drink it. And she recommended it to me.
A Jamaican nurse. And the nurse that come from the Caribbean.
No. And a jackfruit, you know.
No.
Yeah, it comes from the Caribbean, man.
No, I said the nurse. Cause
Some Spanish nurse.
yeah, island
them
people.
so what's up and them something that good too.
Yeah.
Mango leaf and them something that you drink your herbs. You know? But so much things
Yeah,
here.
about that thing.
All heap of things them say good,
here.
but you know.
Because I see them a show say avocado seed the great right and boil it.
What name so?
Here.
Avocado.
Oh, avocado.
It's a bacada.
Yeah, cause
Avocado.
come here, you say avocado, me I wonder what?
Avocado.
The shortening of avocado, that
Wow.
avocado.
And guinea, the pepper, where it needed something like that.
Red pepper?
The red pepper where in the back with the powder pepper.
Oh yeah? It burn out things out of you. Somebody did hear. Yeah.
With honey.
Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper.
Cayenne pepper,
Oh,
right.
cayenne pepper.
You know, you eat pepper, girl? You can't manage pepper?
I put cayenne pepper in my, I used to put cayenne pepper in my food. Since it done, I don't buy back no more, but I used to put a little in my food.
You know, taste.
You know, so
You have to taste it and it burn it.
You can't manage it, man. And you know, yeah?
One time I died Jamaica and I go check one girl one morning.
Yeah.
And she go, but me used to hear about her, you know.
Yeah.
So she have one, you know, the little bird pepper there.
Yeah.
She have one pepper tree around on the side of her house. And every morning, she go pick off a bird pepper and swallow it with water.
Really?
That burn off cancer, you know.
So she have cancer?
She have make sure it good.
Oh, she never have it, but she just like do it
No,
because she don't know what she have on.
Right.
Oh, me know, me say so too. Like if me know say something good for you, or me hear say it good, me go try it too.
And you overdose it.
Yeah, but me not overdose it. That's why you see, even herbs, you're really not supposed to drink herbs no more than 3 to 5 days.
Herb tea.
Yeah, like anytime you drink, not herb tea, like herbs. You really never overdo it. You know, you have some people who drink it for the whole month, every single morning. It's really not supposed to drink like that if you drink it as a medicine. If you drink it as a medicine.
Mix the bush then.
I mean, I put sugar in a bush.
And you know, mix, you told me that, so I'm not, when I boil the bush, I'm not mix them.
It depends on the bush. Some bush you're not to mix, you know. Because
Mix it with other bush.
yeah, some bush.
Yeah,
it depends.
Yeah.
Some bush can mix together.
Some
and
can mix, but you don't know. Like, better boil them individual and drink them.
Right. Yeah, you still tell me that, so don't mix them.
Don't me not make about the 1 hour drive.
Oh.
That's the one you have to say.
I see my mess with you.
1 year if you like I said, no, I'm going to go home, go dress up first. I mean, you're a hot girl.
Okay. Then you...
No.
Angela, not there.
Yeah.
Where you go this morning? Where you reach this morning?
Angela, bring me. This morning the van, I picked me up this morning.
Or they have the elderly van where them used to pick up people.
Yeah.
So you have to schedule it, right?
Yes.
Okay. Same thing with my brother.
Yeah.
Oh, so black up. See?
We're the same age.
Yeah.
You're young.
You're gonna be 50.
Still young, we found when me pass 50.
When you come here at 50,
Yeah.
Long time now.
20 odd years. 24
she left 1
years.
month before Daniel born.
Oh, really?
Daniel born in June. She leave in May.
Wow, you remember all that too?
Yeah, can't forget that. Can't forget that. I never got to go to the airport.
You never get to go to airport.
He never glad because he did mad.
Oh,
No, I never get to go.
Oh,
Because she missed flight. So missed flight had gone.
oh yes, Miss Flight, go on the night before. We sit on the airport You never want no night flight anyway, and a night we did not go flight. So I got work it, so. So down at airport and then that's what I'm doing with our grandkids them. I met much of them and we don't hear when they call. Or when number call or whatever call.
Right.
So when miss the flight, we have to go home.
And pay money.
Yeah, and come back the next. And go back the next day. Well, the next day night, never catch me on the plane.
The next day you get day flight.
Yes. Early morning.
Are you deliberately miss a flight, man? She don't want to fly a day.
Yeah, if I want to fly a night, are you afraid of the plane?
Yeah, man, I can't slow out this day.
She don't want to see where she go.
Right, I want to where me I go. Then the little baby they behind me. In front of me, having foot a beat on the window. I said, Lord have mercy.
And if you want to go back to plane crash.
Suppose I pick they crack the window, man.
The big plane start taking in ear.
Man, and the mother can't even tell her to stop.
Some people just know them people for doing anything, you know. You can know that when you're there road with them, you know, you see them run back at them.
They could put me in the bus now and behave herself up here, you know. And the mother go slap her. They could put me side, make you poop on daddy last night. Yeah, so the mama come out for the stop, but then she didn't.
Shame.
Must catch a fire if you bag your laugh. So can you imagine how them are going in the
Yeah, that, it was a Jamaican?
up here. I'm from Jamaican, but the whole of them in a one bed.
Oh, that go? What did you put this say?
Like me people prank that daddy last night. Must catch a fire shot. The mother grab the little bit there and come out for the bus. Can you imagine how she beat that? But
Oh
she
my
go-
God.
She can't beat it out already.
That
She
is
have to beat it.
hilarious.
She go up.
No, sir. Oh, I can't.
Make you poop on daddy last night. So she not behave herself.
Right.
And she knows that she poop on daddy last night.
And the mother knows so she never come try school her in a crowd now, because she never used to do it at home.
Right.
She come try it in a crowd.
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
It's crazy.
Did you hear the joke about PJ?
Which PJ?
PJ Patterson. He said, I walk through, but he was prime minister, I walk through the community. You know? But you know, the stigma with them, they have on him. Say, the chichi man thing with them, they have on him.
Right.
Walk through the community and, you know, see this little girl and lift her up. Camera up on him, you know? Lift her up. Like, he said, what is your name? Like a girl said, like, should I say, Michelle. He said, what is my name? The girl up on him and say, Chichi man.
Oh my gosh.
Chichi man for.
Chichi.
Meaning again.
Not good.
Because
Yeah.
if you know
I
that,
thought them used to
they
say
used to say that about him. So that's how little girl come up on the ear.
Yeah.
When them talk about him, Chichi man, Chichi man.
I wonder when though. Does it just take time
You
to
say,
clear it out?
I drop him and drop her.
Oh my God. What's up?
Man, look like you man drop her at the same time.
We're there.
Chichi man.
Them sell water in again.
They sell water?
You want to do it too much water.
After people carry stuff for them people.
More than one people. More than one family.
Crave for them, crave.
The man like now. Look here.
What?
Looking at the camera. Say hello to the people them.
No way.
Hmm?
No way.
Say, yeah. But say hello.
Hi. Hi, people. Oh, we are see we say.
When I go
So,
on YouTube,
so
you have a phone?
me get your permission now if put you up on YouTube so we can watch up on YouTube and laugh about what we that talk about. We get your permission to put you up?
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
good. Thank you. And too big and big no work.
Okay.
I want to see your finger then put them right here so.
Hold on there.
Come here. Alright, so something about your hand when me want to.
Don't take up your too ugly.
Just get the nail.
Just nail them.
Alright, so me I try do the nail them. A lotion, yeah,
From
and no
the
lotion, no.
Yeah, man, then lotion, but
Okay.
you don't know, you know.
Alright, so we do the video with the hand over there, right? And then I see on your hand, and the same hand, which is the dark hand, because the light upon this the one at daylight. But you see this mark? You see that mark here, that bird mark
yes,
here?
I hit me. I can't know say
You
the
can-
brown hand.
You can
The
know if you go and look for this mark on the dark hand because it was night. And see it there? Look on your finger them now. And look how
Make
long
the
it
finger
is.
then show
Yeah.
good, because the finger then not show so good.
Them sure good, but them one don't just want cut, you know, and
Yeah.
clean up, especially in that one here. You see when your
That
nails
one
too
there, the one
tall,
me tell you say I get bad with there.
you see when your finger them too tall, water itch up in them, so you have to
Yeah.
cut them down. And when the water settle up in it,
And me I
can
try
make
say
it
me
do like
can
this.
keep nails and shape them up.
Yeah, cut them down.
I
But
cut
then look how
them
them pretty comparing to how them was. You remember how them was?
So yes, them really, especially this one.
Exactly.
Oh, under one.
Exactly. It
Oh
was
my
so
God, this is
bad.
like them they
Look how
bad,
them
man.
pretty now.
And the big finger.
Yeah.
They look still bad.
This is
Yeah.
the mark where everybody need to look for. That's why I say I come do another video and show them. You see that mark there? If you look on the dark hand, you see the same mark here.
me not see
Them
nothing
all
wrong.
watch the ring and I see the ring upon this and ring. Take off the ring off of this, see me.
Take off
Me
the
go
two of
post
them.
it. Yeah, take it off. Me go show you.
Stress, I put no man through.
Yeah, take off your finger them for me and mama.
So I make you get divorced and all.
Yeah, I divorce you a little bit. Yeah.
And this
No, put it. No, don't put it. That did you did Avan this. I wish one it. No, I never
No,
did say
take off
Avan.
this too.
I did it one of them you did Avan. Let me
One,
see.
me have one.
Yeah, give
one
it to
sure.
her.
This me have one. No, me have on the two pounds. So
No, one
light
single one you did
complexion
have. I
and-
think of this. You did Avan.
The mama dead to be engaged.
I don't remember, I think of this. Put it on your married finger.
No, I'm not this or this.
That.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. One you did Avan. So now take off the ring and put it on there. See there? Take off the ring, cause them all I say ring the panda on your ring that like people now have can change. So see there?
Right?
Yeah, you go watch yourself on TV. Yes,
See here on my phone.
on your phone. You can put it on your phone to just go on YouTube or go on Facebook on your TV. And that is it.
Oh my God. All right.
Yeah, later.
Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
All right, fast. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, mama, later. Yeah.